Everybody, it's me, Miss You, and now that we have our part, we're going to create the multi-view. So let's go to the plus sign. We're going to go create drawing, and instead of inch, you're going to make sure it says millimeters, and you're going to go OK. Before I bring everything in, I am going to change how many decimals I'm going to see. So I'm going to go to the 3 bars. I'm going to go to copy workplace. I'm going to go to where it says workspace units, and it says length of decimals. I'm going to do 2 decimals instead of 3. And I'm going to go check. Okay. I'm now going to go to my projected view where it says insert. I'm now going to go to part 1. I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to bring in my top view, and I'm going to bring in my right view. Looking at the multi-view that we have as an example, it does not look like there is a right view. So now I'm going to get out of my projected view, and I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to show hide. I'm going to go show shaded view, and it's done. Next, I'm going to go look for my hidden lines. I'm going to go right click, show hide, show hidden lines, and it's done. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to work on dimensioning my front view. The dimension is right above the drawing. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go from the bottom to the top of the main section, and I have 30. Give yourself plenty of room. And now I'm going to go from one to the other. At this point, I'm just copying what they have, and I have 15. Next, I'm going to find the radius of the fillet, and I'm going to just touch it while being in dimensioning. I'm going to touch it, and it shows me 5. That means I have a radius of 5. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dimension from here to there, the diagonal, but it's the horizontal of the space the diagonal takes up. And because we are using a different software package than what was used in the drawing, we are not going to dimension a 30-degree point. We need 2 lines for that, and we only have 1. Instead, we're going to do the dimension from the top to the bottom, so we could see it is 2.89 for that area. And we are completely dimensioned. Let me see if I could get it. No. Okay. I'm going to just delete that. Okay. So there I am. The front view is dimensioned. We're going to go to the top view. Select dimension again. We're going to do the outside diameter of the circle. And I have 40 millimeters. Next, I'm going to do this part over here, from here to here, on the sketch, and I have 20. I'm also going to dimension to the center, so I'm going to select center mark, and I'm going to touch the outside of the circle, and there's my center mark. And we are supposed to position the center mark, so I'm going to go from I'm going to dimension from the top of the square to the center, and that is 5. And now I'm going to dimension across the bottom. I have 10, and again from the center to the edge, and I get 5. And the last thing we want to do is we want to do center lines across the center of the circle. So I'm going to go edge to edge center line. And this will show us that it's a circle. Go edge. Or 2 points, center point. There I am. That's our center line and our center line.